Let's talk about Shopify POS benefits. Chances are you're a store manager or owner, but what is Shopify point of sale, and why should you care so much? Shopify POS can be described as a point of sale system that allows you both to sell your products online and in person. The benefits are not limited to this. Shopify point of sale is a great tool. Let's examine just a few. Shopify POS is extremely user-friendly. Shopify point of sale was created with simplicity in mind, unlike other POS systems. Easy to set up and manage your shop. Checking out customers is also easy. For all your questions and concerns, schedule a phone call below. Shopify point of sale offers another advantage. It's customizable. There are many options for themes and colors available to make your POS look consistent with your brand. Shopify point of sale integrates seamlessly into your online store. This allows you to easily manage all of the inventory from both online and offline. No more managing multiple systems and manually moving data between platforms. Shopify POS does all the work for you. Shopify point of sale is a complex system that you must consider as a store owner. Shopify POS will be the right choice if your goal is to make your online store more user-friendly, flexible, and seamlessly integrate with it. It's easy to use and saves you time. Why wait? Shopify point of sale can be yours today. You can schedule a demo with an expert by clicking the link below.